Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can turn on your joins on in Roblox mobile iPad. So I'm currently using right now the iPhone or the iOS, but this also works for iPad. So the very first thing that you need to do is just open your Roblox application and just make sure that you're logged in. Now, once you're here, you just have to go to more at the bottom right. Click on this three horizontal dots. And then from here, just go ahead and go to settings. Click on that. And then from here, you will see a bunch of options right here. But what we're going to do is just go ahead and go to your security. Oh no, my bad. Privacy and content restrictions rather. So we're going to click on that one. And then from here, you're going to click on the communication right here. And then you will be able to see the experience chat. So click on that. And you have here two options, which is to select everyone or no one. So what we're gonna do is, since we're turning it on, so we're just gonna remain on putting it on everyone. So if you don't want to turn it on, if you want to turn it off, then you can go ahead and tap on no one. And then we're gonna turn that back to everyone, and it will be saved automatically to your settings. And that's basically it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!